the Tesla of housing. I'm blown away. This is massive. Should we test and see if your Model Y floats? You can go quick through it or what?
First time.
That is a big simulator right there.
Larger than most.
It is really big. I don't know if this comes off on camera.
Solve affordable housing in Austin in one fell swoop.
8 months ago, I made a video in Austin, Texas, showing you the Tesla Gigafactory and showed you if you were to move here, where would you actually move? And now I'm wondering how many people from California are regretting their decision. First, there was an ice storm, and now it's been 2 months of rain and lightning. But I'm still gonna go around and look at this place. But it's pouring rain. Okay, we got our buddy Anwar back. He is back. We are back in Austin. Wait, is this a new Tesla? I don't remember you having a Model Y.
Completed the sexy lineup, dude.
You have all the cars now?
Yeah.
The beautiful new Model Y, back in Texas. I don't think I'm gonna be getting too many drone shots of Gigafactory today, but I definitely want to go and see Tesla Gigafactory. I love the Model Y. It is such a good car. Okay, before I show you the Gigafactory and the housing market in Austin, we have an exciting announcement. We have partnered with Omaze for this video to offer you the chance to win one of their biggest prizes yet. A 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house here in Austin, Texas. Or if you don't want the house, you'll get enough cash to be an instant millionaire.
We just won $1 million.
All of the donations from that house actually helped fund an epilepsy monitoring unit at a hospital for children in Orlando. Really cool. All you have to do to potentially be the next winner is go to omaze.com/whatsinside. And even better, every donation benefits a great cause, the Folds of Honor Foundation. Folds of Honor Foundation provides educational scholarships to the spouses and children of our servicemen who have fallen or been disabled. They have awarded over 29,000 scholarships already. So if you've ever dreamed of owning $1 million home here in Austin, Texas, or having $1 million in cash, this could potentially be your chance. Let's go check out the Gigafactory and let me show you some updates to the Austin real estate market since the last time we were here. All right, so we're in the car. I picked up our buddy Matt. If you remember, we were the trio last time that had a blast and we had the big meetup. We are going to Tesla Gigafactory right now in the rain. We just drove by the airport. What is up with the rain? Is it always like this in Austin?
The last 3 weeks, and we've got like another week. I don't even understand. It's like it's a hurricane in this town. I don't know where this weather's coming from, but this is welcome to Austin.
I'm excited to see it because last time we were here, it was dirt and they were putting the pillars down into the ground because it is such a wet area. I guess this is gonna be the true test for the foundation, is how does it hold up to this rain? It's been raining so much, and the Gigafactory is right next to the Colorado River. So here's the Colorado River right here. Along both sides of the highway is Tesla, but over on this side is where the Gigafactory is. Oh, there it is, Tesla Giga. And so you look out here, big buildings. You already start to see it. Wow, that's massive. We made it. Look at this guy with an umbrella even. Okay, and a rain jacket. Wow, look how massive that is. I didn't think it was gonna be this close.
Yep.
Look at this guy in the rain. Look at those guys. One of the reasons why this land so close to town was even available is because it's a floodplain. This is the 100-year floodplain. There's trucks just going everywhere. This is not ideal land because people don't want to build right here because there is so much dang water. So Tesla built a ton of pillars that went down to keep the foundation good so that it doesn't get too wavy. But this is the true test. They're gonna be making the Model Y with the new 4680 batteries. The 4680, for those of you that don't know, they're the batteries that are going to have 500, 600 potentially miles range. But also, the Cybertruck will be coming out of Giga, Texas. I'm blown away. This is massive. I can only imagine how many cars are gonna be pumping out of here. I think we'll have to come back in October, so it's exactly 1 year from when I came here last time. Seriously, Lo, this is crazy, and it is so rainy. I bet there's a lot of people from California that are regretting their decision to move here in Texas. Oh my gosh. Just truck after truck. It is crazy. We are driving around Tesla Gigafactory right now, just on the streets, and it is flooded. The employee area is flooded. Gigafactory looks flooded. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that road. It's like washing out the entire road. Can't believe cars are even driving through that. Should we test and see if your Model Y floats? I feel like we need to go through this. I'll get out and film it in case you get stuck.
Okay.
We probably shouldn't go through. Elon has said in the past that these things do float. They should float in rivers.
Okay, let's go. Let's test it.
Are you sure?
We gotta do it.
We don't have to. We don't have to. I don't want to get stuck.
Let's go under the Gigafactory, in the lake, under the factory.
We're gonna drive through the water here. Have you done a big puddle? You can go quick through it or what?
First time.
First time in the puddle. I've changed out of my rainy Gigafactory shirt and I've got my hoodie on. Since October, the housing market has totally exploded here in Austin. And it's gotten so crazy that even Elon Musk, who moved here because it's lower cost, has even put out a tweet saying we need an alternative solution to housing because he obviously wants his employees to be able to come work at the factory, but also be able to own a home or live in an affordable housing that's actually a good house in a good neighborhood. This is a house that's currently under construction right now, and the building process has been insane in Austin, Texas. Like, it's hard. If you wanted to build a house right now, you're gonna be waiting a year or two until the thing is actually done, which is kind of crazy because all of these Tesla employees are moving from California to Texas, and they thought that the promise was that housing is going to be cheaper. But just since we did our video 8 months ago, the prices have skyrocketed. My friends Matt and Anwar Beck that are realtors down here have told me that they've listed houses for 1.1 million, that within 2 days received 100 offers and ended up closing for over $2 million. Real story. It is a frenzy right now. So whether it's an existing home or a home that you're building right now, or even just land that you want to build on, there doesn't seem to be enough of it with everything going on in Texas right now. And that brings me back to the sponsor of today's video. I talked about them earlier in the video, but how cool that they are giving away a $1 million home in Austin, Texas. This is a beautiful home that's located in Austin's Travis Heights neighborhood. I really hope that one of our viewers is actually the one that gets the $1 million Austin dream home. If it is you and you are from this video, you've got to let us know. Thank you to Omaze for sponsoring this video. All of the information is down below. You can see all of the rules and conditions and how you can enter into this to potentially become an instant millionaire or have $1 million home here in Austin. But for now, I need to show you what I think is the actual future of housing. And it's something that you've never seen before because it hasn't existed until now. It's really cool. Let's check it out. You know the top realtor in Austin, and I always say that in all my videos, Matt, and we've got Anwar Beck. They are working on a new project that I'm gonna call it the Tesla of housing. So this is basically the start of a new community. And so when Tesla put out that call about we need better housing, my friend Anwar Beck and Matt called me and said, we actually have a project that we've been working on for a little while. This just shipped in from Italy yesterday and they started putting it together. So in one day, you can already see it's a portion of a home. These are windows right here that you would see in a skyscraper. So you have like aluminum skyscraper, you have top quality architects that have gone and designed this like almost like modular type home to where you can go on a website that's super easy, just like Tesla. I remember when the iPhone came out and it was like a game changer, going from a flip phone to an iPhone. And then when I got my first Tesla and I rode inside of it, I was like, I never want to go back to a gas car because I have a Tesla. Well, there's a chance that this is going to be like the iPhone or the Tesla of home building. You go onto a website, you pick out the size of home that you want. It could be $150,000 house to $1.5 million of a house. It's all made out of similar materials and you kind of just pick out what you want it to look like. Even down the road, if you're like, oh, we just had another kid, we need another bedroom, you can go in and order something and they can come in and click on and build an entire new room. Did I get that right? Does that sound about right?
That sounds about right. Yeah, I mean, the materials are everything you can imagine in a skyscraper. Turn it on its side, including fire suppression, steel framing. That is all skyscraper glass. It's about probably 3/4 of an inch thick.
Wow.
insulating factor. We were gonna take some ball bearings and throw it at it. see if we can Cybertruck the windows, but these would actually stand up, I think. So yeah, no one's ever built a home like this. People think modular and they think grandma's mobile home, and this is flipping it on its head. Kind of the same way people thought electric cars pre-Tesla, and they thought boring, slow golf cart, no power, and all of a sudden Tesla flipped it, right? This is what this is doing to housing. It's flipping the idea of modular completely upside down.
And so you guys just launched this essentially within the last week, like a soft launch, but you already have a bunch of reservations. Is it gonna be pretty much sold out here in Austin pretty soon?
We are going to keep land acquisition ahead of being selling out. So this is first come, first serve. So for sure, people need to move and reserve something quickly.
How are you gonna go put it in the forest? Are you literally just dropping it on dirt, or are you gonna just put some a concrete pad and drop it down on the pad?
Do you see these little red hooks up here?
Yeah.
So that's literally how it gets dropped in, snapped together.
It is huge. It's hard to see on film like how big this is and how heavy it is, but that's it. They can lift up your entire house, add on a new section to your house.
The beauty of the entire project and the structure of it itself is the rigidity actually comes in the steel structure itself. So there are parts of the community that we will be building over water on steel stilts near the lake. You wait till you see what we've drawn out for the site plan. Up north, it's gonna blow your doors off.
Housing is something that we haven't really changed in a long time. I know that we just built our dream home and it was a blast. And a lot of you guys in Europe were like, why did you build this out of wood? It's just gonna burn down or your house is gonna blow over. Well, this is aluminum, metal, and super thick, almost bulletproof glass looking. I think we're gonna see a lot of changes in the next few years when it comes to housing. And I think this community is gonna change it. And here in Austin, it makes sense to change it. The prices of housing is crazy. All these tech companies are coming here. This will be a big solution over the next few years. So keep an eye on this. This is gonna be a really fun thing. The last time I was here, I knew nobody that lived in Austin other than my friend Matt and Anwar Beck. And they're from Austin, they've lived here forever. Well, now I have some familiar faces. One of my favorite series that we've done was when we played the best 18 holes of golf inside of our small town. And it was on Eric Anderslang Random Golf Club channel. He has an entire merch store where he comes out with new products pretty much every month. There's something new. And they typically sell out really fast. So this is it. Inside of this trailer, this Connex van, is RGC headquarters.
This is our temporary structure.
Temporary headquarters right here.
You ordered these already.
I ordered 10 boxes of those golf balls. So these golf balls are awesome. The question I have is, do they have numbers on them? Or is it just the characters?
Yeah, no numbers. The whole strategy here is that every ball is unique and it represents a character that, is from a meetup that we've done around the world. So like, in California, we did we had a surf character. New York, a pizza. Someone found my ball when I was playing with them, and they were like, "Is this your ball? It's got a cactus on it." I was like, yeah, that's my ball. We're doing a pick through with Dan of all the stuff. Here, you like the black till death stuff? What size are you?
I'm extra large.
XL. That's a large. There we go. XL till death T-shirt.
Ooh, thank you.
Socks. You can always do socks.
I'm getting socks.
There we go. 2 till death head covers.
Okay.
Small bucket hat
That
guy.
sounds great. Loading up on merch, and I can just take it home. This is great. I love this trailer.
The trailer's pretty fun. It's not air conditioned, so we got to get things out of here pretty quick. But we're only a few months away from finishing the real deal, which we're really excited about.
Eric has always been in Los Angeles with a Random Golf Club, traveling out of there, doing meetups with people. Well, now the great thing is, this building that you see behind it says, the Tree Clinic is not the Tree Clinic. This is going to be Random Golf Club RGC headquarters.
This is going to be kind of a hangout area with tables and chairs, like a cafe. The parking lot's going to be on the side.
Whoa, lightning.
That'll be the main entrance. These doors are going to get covered up here.
Oh, okay.
You're going to come in here and there's going to be a putting green that's going to basically spill out into this sort of coffee and table chairs area.
Inside, outside putting green.
Yeah, it goes inside and outside twice.
Oh my
gosh. The putting green's going to come out here. There'll be a new door here, and then this garage door will, mostly be open, weather permitting. So it's divided into 2 spaces. The front is the community space, and the back is the work creative space. So in the front, it's basically 3 parts: store, simulator, coffee shop.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, so it's supposed to feel kind of like a hotel lobby, and it's not really it's a big simulator. It's larger than what you said.
That is a big simulator right there.
It's much larger than most.
It is really big. I don't know if this comes off on camera, but this place is a lot bigger on the inside than it is on the outside, and I'm surprised.
And the workspace in the back. This is gonna be for 20 to 25 people to make the things that Random Golf Club makes. Videos, podcasts, products, hats, shoes, and work with our clients and schedule meetups and just continue to do cool stuff for the golf world.
I'm actually surprised you'll be done in October. You've got some work to do still. And then behind the building is going to be parking lot. So employees park back here. I would imagine a lot of the guests will park out front, kind of by the putting green. This is a giant lot.
About a half an acre is going to be all outdoor community space. 6-hole putting course.
What?
Fire pits.
Yes.
A bar. A place to watch Masters. A kids putting green. A stage. A food truck as well. We've got a really cool new school take on barbecue coming in to do a little small menu. Yeah.
This place is awesome. I need one of these in our little town. This needs to spread across the country.
Glad you said that. We calling this HQ0.
Oh, nice.
So
hopefully
you could go infinite.
Could expand. I love it. Austin is really known for big conferences, especially the tech conference South by Southwest. There are all kinds of cool tech companies that are here in town, and they're always looking for cool spaces to rent. You can rent out the place. You've got the golf hitting bay, you've got the outside hitting place, you've got the coffee bar. This lightning is crazy. I'm gonna go. Should I give you the umbrella? I kind of want to be wet. Okay, there we go. Honk the horn at him. Here we go. Hold. Go. Oh. Oh, keep going, bro. Check out these shoes. Look at this guy. He is always styling.
Yeah, dude.
It's got some raindrops on it.